In this video, I will show you how to insert signature in Gmail. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and add a signature, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come and log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, what you're going to want to do is click onto this gear icon to open up your settings, and then what you want to do is click the option to see all settings. And what that's going to do is open up a page like this, and from here you want to scroll down to the bottom, and towards the bottom you're going to see a option for signature just down here. So what you want to do is, you can see I've actually got one created already, but you want to come and click onto create new. Then what you can do is go ahead and give your signature a name. So I'm going to call this one test one, just like so, and then click onto create. So once you've created your signature, what you can then do is add your text. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and put some text in. So we're going to just type some text just like so. And what you can do is use the toolbar underneath to format the text. So for example, you could change the font if we want to any of these, and we can change like the bold and add italics and things like that. Also, what you can do is add a image to your signature as well. So you can see there's an option here to insert image. So if we give that a click, then what we can do is access an image. So we can actually paste the URL of the image if it's on a website, or we can go into Google Drive, upload something from our drive, or even upload from our PC using our File Explorer. Once you're happy with everything, as you can see, I've added my image here. You can actually resize this as well if it's really big. So if you actually click onto the image, you can see we can resize this just like so. So once you're happy with everything, what you want to do is come down, and where it says for new emails, you want to change this to whichever signature you want to use. So I'm going to change this to test one. Then be sure to come down to the bottom and click save changes just like so. And once that's done, what you can do is click onto compose. It's going to refresh your Gmail. And as you can see, it's going to automatically add your signature to your email. So you can just compose your email as normal. And what it's going to do by default is just add your email, as you can see. So that's how to insert signature in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.